What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is "Man Terrorizes Lady Eating Her Dinner Gets Calmer." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about.
Police respond to a restaurant in Delray Beach where a man is threatening a woman and refusing to leave.
She was at the bar. There was a guy in there who's kind of like losing his mind,
threatening different people. She's terrified. Can you
she won't go back
stay
in.
with her until she gets like an Uber home?
My daughter's in New York. My daughter's in New York. I can't go in there with him.
Yeah, and he was threatening a bunch of people.
Who's Bob? Are you the complainant?
He drinks and he's like crazy.
I didn't.
Well,
we don't know
what's he look like?
Oh, if you want to, he's at the end of the bar.
What's he wearing?
Kind of a big guy, maybe a tank top, whatever, but he's like threatening a bunch of people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, it's not fair.
Okay, let me go. Hey,
if you
not him, right?
No, if you want to walk in with you, I'll show you.
No, you're good. You're good. You're good.
No, I've got my tabs still there.
This guy's out of his fucking mind.
Yeah, he's out of his mind.
Out of his mind.
Yeah.
Screaming, yelling, swearing,
Yeah,
spitting
he
at people.
he wouldn't stop.
He's out of his fucking mind.
Yeah.
Let's see, a black tank. That'd be there you go.
Come on, my friend.
I don't give a fuck.
Come on.
All right?
Come on.
I don't give a fuck.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stop.
I don't need an interruption.
Okay.
I don't need it.
Okay.
You're gonna walk.
Listen.
You're gonna walk straight
to
your mouth. Right now. I ain't fucking playing with you. What's going on, man?
I'll tell you when we get outside.
Yeah.
I'll tell you when I get outside.
Yeah. All right. Right here.
You want to talk?
Let's go.
I'll talk.
All right, let's go.
All right, before he walked away, we trespassed him.
Yep.
I don't want him back on the property.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. No, he ain't gonna take care. What's going on?
Time to go.
Yeah, thank you so much.
All right, you got an ID on you?
Yes, I do.
All right, let me see it. What's going on? Obviously, you're hot and headed. Everything's going on in there, right? What's going on?
I'll let you know. You know, one thing I don't like about power is power.
Don't be
You know
stupid.
why?
Step
Because I
back.
don't give a
Step
fuck
back.
about power.
Step back. Quit being stupid. You're gonna go to jail. You wanna go to jail?
I've been there.
I don't care. Do you wanna go to jail?
Been there. I don't want to, but I've been
stop
there.
being stupid.
Don't push me. Don't put your fucking hands on me.
Hey,
I didn't put your hands on you.
Shut your mouth.
All right? I didn't put your fucking hands on you. I got rights.
Shut your mouth. Put your hands behind your back.
Don't put your hands on me.
Behind your back. Don't
Really?
resist.
Listen, really?
Don't resist. Put your hands behind your back.
You gotta
Put your hands behind your back.
Hold on. Now, the officer did push him in the bushes, okay? But the guy approached, right? The guy approached the owner, manager, whoever, and they backed him off. But the officer did give him an extra nudge into the bushes, and that's what ticked him off. I can understand the man being upset, but I think overall the man started it because he went and charged at the the manager or whatever. So some people might look at it like the cop started it. Some people may look at it as the guy started it or whatever. That's for you to decide, right? But this guy is definitely way too intoxicated. And I'm actually, the cops are trying to get some information out of him as far as like what's going on, this and that. And I really want to hear what he has to say, but it looks like we just gonna skip all of that and get straight to the action. God damn. Gotta get them together. You hear me? Shit.
push me. Don't put your fucking hands on me. I didn't put your hands on power.
Step back. Quit being stupid.
I don't like about power is power. You know why? Because I don't give a fuck about power.
Step back. Quit being stupid. You're going to go to jail. You want to go to jail?
I've been there.
I don't care. Do you want to go again?
Been there. I don't want to, but I've been
Stop
there.
being stupid.
Don't push me. Don't put your fucking hands on me.
Hey,
I didn't put your hands on you.
Shut your mouth.
All right? I didn't put your fucking hands on you. Don't put. I got rights.
Shut your mouth. Put your hands behind you.
Don't put your
I
hands
got rights.
on me.
Behind your back.
He's like, I got rights.
Listen, really?
Don't resist. Put your hands behind your back.
Down to the ground. Get him to the ground.
You got good luck.
You're gonna get tased, bro. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Behind your back. Do it now. You're gonna get tased. Put your other hand. Other hand.
Right, hold on. Let me put my
Other hand.
All right. Let me put my wallet in my pants.
Put your hand behind your back. Do it now.
My wallet in my pants.
Put your hand behind your back.
I can't. They're still pushing me.
Put your hand behind your back.
All right. Let me put my hands in there. Can I put my hand, my wallet in my pocket?
Have a seat. Have a seat. Sit down. Relax. Relax. Sit down. Come on. Have a seat. Relax.
Got them pretty tight.
Have a seat. Sit down. Relax.
Pretty tight.
Sit down. Take care of them. Sit.
You really think you could?
Sit down.
Yeah, keep on going.
Sit down.
Yeah, keep on going. Yeah, you got power. You got power. Listen, can I put my money in my pocket?
No.
No. All right. All right. I just want to put my wallet in my pocket. Wait,
Why are you trying to argue with everyone? Trying to get fights?
I'm not trying
Since
to.
we got there, you getting in people's face?
Oh my God.
You're arguing with one gentleman in there, then you start trying to argue with another person.
All right.
So I ask you,
Can I
yeah.
put my wallet in my pocket?
No, it's going in your prisoner property.
Oh my God, you're a nice guy, huh? What do you mean, good cop and bad cop? Is that what it is?
Right there. Let go of your wallet. Let go of your wallet.
Listen, you're actually putting a little bit tight for no
All right,
reason.
we'll take care of them. Relax.
Yes, you are.
No, they're not. Stop.
Yes, you are.
We'll take care of them if you relax. All you need is a fingertip.
Yeah.
Don't. Stop. No. Don't be stupid.
I'm stupid as I am.
Probably want to try to get more simple. Let go of my hand. Stand for. Let go of my hand.
I gotta let go. I
Let go of
gotta
my
let
hand.
go. My fingers. You're fucking leaving my fingers.
Let go.
I don't got your fingers. Oh my God.
What's up with you today, man?
I'm not doing nothing. Oh my God.
Put your arms straight.
I'm not doing nothing, officer. I'm not doing nothing. You're ripping my wrist. Oh my God.
You've caused this upon yourself.
I know. All right, so I'm not cooperating, so.
If you would have been cool out there and not try to get in someone else's face, you'd probably been get out of here.
Yes, sir.
You'd already be in your car on your way home.
Yes, sir.
Well, I don't know about your car, but in a car. An Uber. Have a seat.
Be gentle.
Yep. Have a seat. You can do it yourself.
All right, try. Oh my God, my wrist. Oh.
And
Richard was charged with battery on an officer, disorderly intoxication, and obstructing without violence. He pled not guilty, and all the charges were either dropped or down-filed.
God damn. Battery on a police officer? Ooh wee. But yeah, he was just drunk. He just had too many cocktails that day. You can even tell in his mugshot. He was looking all like this. You know what I'm saying? Had too many cocktails. Yeah, he's he just need to go down to the county, sober up a little bit. And that's it. Don't go back there. Don't let the alcohol get you all out of shape, you know? But yeah, that was a pretty good video. I ain't gonna lie. I think the officers did a pretty good job. Like, especially boy out there with that taser. Once he, oh yeah. You don't want to act right? We gonna get you together, all the way together. Got that taser out. Yeah. Better cooperate. No. But yeah, I think they did a pretty good job. They get a 4 out of 5 from me. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.